And we have ignition of the first stage engine standing by for liftoff. And we have liftoff of the Soyuz rocket, delivering a Progress vehicle, the 54th Progress vehicle to the International Space Station, the 148th launch and support of ISS assembly and operations. All nominal, 35 seconds into the flight. And approaching 1 minute. That's the point where the vehicle begins to pass through the area of maximum dynamic pressure, traveling 1,100 miles per hour. All guidance, navigation, and control systems are in good shape. One minute, 45 seconds, standing by for burnout and jettison of the 4 strap-on boosters of the first stage. All being reported to be in good shape. Standing by for confirmation of shroud jettison. And approaching 3 minutes, we do have confirmation of shroud jettison.